Here's problem 8 from the 2024 AMC 8. On Monday, Tay has $2. Every day he either gains $3 or doubles the amount he had the previous day. How many different dollar amounts could Tay have on Thursday? 3 days later? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key is that each day there are 2 choices. Add 3 or times 2. Let's build a tree. On Monday, Tay starts with $2. On Tuesday, adding 3 gives 5, and doubling gives 4. On Wednesday we branch again from each amount. From 5, adding 3 gives 8, and doubling gives 10. From 4, adding 3 gives 7, and doubling gives 8. Notice 8 shows up from both branches. So the distinct Wednesday amounts are 7, 8, and 10. Now for Thursday. Branch once more from each distinct Wednesday amount. From 7 we get 10 and 14. From 8 we get 11 and 16. And from 10 we get 13 and 20. Finally, collect all the Thursday amounts. 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, and 20. Every one of them is different. So there are 6 distinct dollar amounts. The answer is 6, which is choice D.